Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing a spring reset. Hi guys, we have a visitor today. My cat decided she wanted to join the video and she's going to steal the limelight. She's the star of the show. So anyway, yeah. This is going to be a spring reset. She's just clawed the crap out of me. Look at that. That's what you just did. It's going to be a spring reset video. So basically decluttering, spring cleaning, opening the windows, getting some fresh air in, brightening up the place a little bit since the sun is shining, doing some laundry out on the line. Cat's just plonked herself down on me. PG, say hello to the people. Wave to the camera. So yeah, so it's just going to be a little quick video of me getting ready for spring. I would say that spring is here officially. I'm so happy. When I do a reset, it's not necessarily a day or even a week. Like, it might take me all of spring to do a spring reset. It's one of those days where it's like I feel like I'm going to achieve so much by attacking. I'm going to do this, this and this, and then you're like, I'm done now. And you only do like half of the list, and then you don't feel like doing it for another like 2-3 weeks. I mean, spring officially began like 2 weeks ago and I'm only doing a reset now, so that tells you what kind of like state I've been in. But yeah, so we're gonna do some decluttering, some spring cleaning, taking out the rubbish, letting in some fresh air, maybe bring in some colour, bring in some flowers, and I'm going to show you my spring bucket list. I try to do a bucket list for every season, and the winter one's tricky because it tends to be really related to Christmas, and then after Christmas is over there's like nothing else to do, and then I've got like nearly 3 months before spring happens, and then it's like, well, you could build a snowman, have a snowball fight, only if it snows. It did snow. I did have a snowball fight, so I could have ticked that off if I had done a winter bucket list, but I don't think I did. Can't remember. But anyway, doing a spring bucket list, some spring cleaning, some decluttering, getting rid of the old, bringing in the new, and thank you for joining me while I do it. Okay, so let's get started. This is my spring bucket list that I've done for my spring reset. I want to have a picnic, visit farmers market, do some spring cleaning, try outdoor yoga, have brunch, visit a country park. I'd like to splash in puddles. I've already done this, but I probably will do it again because it's fun. Bring in some flowers I've already done as well to brighten up the place a bit. see a rainbow, and watch a sunset. What are some of your ideas for a spring bucket list? Let me know down below. Well, there you have it, my spring reset. It's only a start. I will probably take all of spring to do it and do a decent job of doing it, but I just wanted to show you like the sort of things I do for a spring reset. And the cat decided to pin me, so I've been trapped here for a while. What things do you put on your reset? Like, what are the things that you do like every spring without fail? And also, what are some of the things you do on your spring bucket list? Like, what are you looking forward to the most about spring finally being here? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time. Bye guys. I'm pinned and I don't know what to do about it. She's pinned me.